In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BigQuery to Metabase. By the end, you'll have your Google BigQuery data available in Metabase, so you can explore, visualize, and share insights with your team. Let's get started inside your Metabase workspace. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account, since adding data sources requires admin privileges. From the Metabase home screen, look for the prompt to add data. You'll typically see an Add Your Data button on the home page. If not, you can also access this from the admin or settings area under databases. Opening this panel is your gateway to connecting new sources. When the list of database types appears, choose BigQuery. Metabase supports BigQuery natively, which means you'll get reliable connections, metadata syncing, and the right SQL dialect out of the box. You'll now be on the Add a Database page tailored for BigQuery. Start by giving the connection a clear, friendly name, so teammates recognize it at a glance. Think of something like Analytics BigQuery or another label that reflects the project or environment. Next, choose your authentication method. Many teams use a service account. If that's you, paste the service account JSON from a key that has appropriate roles, such as BigQuery Data Viewer and BigQuery Job User. If your organization prefers OAuth via the Google Cloud SDK, sign in with the Google account that has access to the BigQuery project. Either way, avoid pasting secrets into chats or public docs and store credentials securely. Provide the project ID exactly as it appears in Google Cloud. Select the processing location that matches where your BigQuery datasets live, such as US or EU. If you want Metabase to focus on specific datasets, you can specify them here. Otherwise, it can discover what it has access to. Leave the SQL dialect as standard SQL. You can also configure sync and scan schedules so Metabase keeps your metadata fresh without manual effort. Before saving, use the test button if available. If you see errors, double check the project ID, the location, and that the credential you're using has the right permissions. Once the test passes, click save. Metabase will begin an initial sync and field scanning in the background. This can take a few minutes depending on the number of datasets and tables. After the sync completes, you're ready to ask questions, build dashboards, and manage permissions so only the right people see the right data. That's it. Your BigQuery connection is live in Metabase.